Hi, today I'm going to show you how to clean my new fidget. It's really dirty right now, and I got it dirty on purpose just for this video. So first of all, we're going to need this scrubber device. We're going to have some Slytherin body wash, like soap, not body wash, soap. So we're just going to need normal water first. Just doing it again. It'd be better if it was hot. Most of the dirt is already off. Put some of the Slytherins on. It's green because it's a Slytherin one. The Slytherin just makes it so smooth and also cleaner. Make sure you don't get too much of the green bits though. And after that, maybe just get a bit more Slytherin juicy. And we'll get a dry, well wet one but clean and grab it quickly. Which is perfectly. I actually love this. Is so nice when you wash it. Now it's washed. And look at that squeeze. It's actually so nice. So this is the fidget. It's my new banana squishy. I actually just got it today. And I just got dirty. So yeah, it's so cool. Thanks for watching. Bye. Please subscribe too. If you actually know, guys, if we get to 50 subscribers, I'll put my second one of these. Because I have a second one, so I'll cut it open. Bye.